study. So welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see Class 8 Science Chapter 1, the crop production and management. We are in our second agricultural step, which is named as selection of seeds. So you can see here. So in this part of video, we are going to see the whole thing about, we will understand about selection of seeds. Okay, so before that, I want to complete this chapter with a more understanding as well as I want to using a storybook we are going to do. Not a storybook that you have, not like that. I'm going to verbally do it. Yeah. So assume that or imagine that you are a farmer and you are very eagerly to grow. You are very energetic or eagerly to grow crop. Okay, and now what happens that you don't know any processes and you are learning it, but you are very interested in growing crop. Okay, so as we have seen our first step, that is preparation of soil. So first what you have done, you have prepared the soil very nicely, and what you have done with that, you have plowed using a tractor, using the modern machine you have go through by it. You have done everything that you want to do in plowing especially. Now, what is the next step? As I said, we have learned that we have seven steps that is involved in agricultural practices. So it's so only you have done this for one step, which is preparation of soil. So by this, a crop will not grow. So for a second step, which is involved in selection of seeds. So in this video, we are going to see, as I said, selection of seeds. And now, in this video, we are going to learn that how to sow these seeds, some tricks and techniques that farmers use. Okay, so selection of seeds. Let's go into that. Okay, so selection of seeds, what it means of like your mother sees is select one of the dress from this a beautiful dress. What do? You select many dresses and select one of them. Now like that auntie over here. This selection of seeds. So farmers what they do, they used to select the seeds very carefully using two methods. I will tell you both methods. Okay, in this video only. So first we should know what is selection of seeds. Okay, so the process of planting seed in soil is called selection of seed. So तो द प्रोसेस वो जो प्रोसेस होता है वो प्लांट करने के लिए यू कैन सी हियर पिक्चर सीड का अगर मैं सीड को लेकर मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ तो मुझे मुझे सॉइल में डालूंगी एंड जो हम सीड को हम प्लांट करते हैं सो करते हैं सॉइल में बस उसे हम कहते हैं सलेक्शन ऑफ सीड इतना याद रखो इतना सॉइल में. So this is the definition that the process of planting the seeds or in soil is called selection of seeds. Okay, so now let's move to our next topic. So now we are here the two very essential or very effective tricks that or methods that the farmer use. Let's see it. Okay, so separation. So early with that thing that I have written in the book. Let me explain it. Okay, if you're buying a fruit or anything, you're buying like a mango, orange, a fruit or vegetable. So first, what you used to see. You used to see the quality of the item. It may be a thing, whether it be a fruit or a eating item. So first, what you choose it by what matter you choose it by the quality. Leave it be color. If you like it's a pink color chair, then also you want a quality. Okay, so the rate of quality matters. Okay, so that is again the trick that is used here by farmers also. That what happens? What they have some methods, two methods here. So they help them to they help them to remove the unwanted or unhealthy seeds by healthy seeds. So they don't know that whether it's the unhealthy or healthy seeds. So the two methods we are going to see it right now. So the separation of healthy seeds and unhealthy seeds. Okay, so we have to separate healthy as well as unhealthy seeds. Healthy, we have to separate healthy seeds from unhealthy seeds. Now, so let's see how. The water method. So the first method is water method. Okay, so this method says that, so before I'm telling that this method is a time taking method because it takes some time. Okay, the damaged seeds hollow like float. So here is the water method as you can see the picture. So let me tell you what do all it takes. First of all, it takes time, and what happens. So the seeds which are hollow, जो मतलब कि जो seeds को insect ने खाया हो, वो seeds क्या होते हैं, hollow होते हैं, light होते हैं, उसमें छेद बना होता है, light होते हैं वो weight में, तो वो फ्लोट करते हैं. ठीक है, वो क्या करते हैं, फ्लोट करते हैं. जैसे मेरे पास एक पानी भरकर है और मैं उसमें पत्ता डाल रही हूँ, एक लीफ डाल रही हूँ, तो वो क्या, इट विल फ्लोट, वो फ्लोट करेगा. इवन इट टेक इट अ प्लास्टिक आल्सो फ्लोट करेगा. तो प्लास्टिक या लीफ को अज्यूम कर लो एज अ hollow seed or unhealthy seed. And healthy seeds sink, as मैंने आपको नहीं लिखा होगा बट मैं यहाँ आपका लिख के हेल्दी सीड सिंक. ठीक है, अब हेल्दी सीड्स जो होते हैं, जैसे आपको बहुत क्वालिटी वाले सीड्स होते हैं, वो नीचे आ जाते हैं. लाइक आप एक 1 रुपये की कॉइन डाल के देखो, जो भी कॉइन डाल के देखो, वो सिंक करती है. तो इन दोनों में डिफरेंस यही है, मतलब बड़ी टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पानी में डालो, कोई और लाइक हाइड्रोक्साइड ऐसा कुछ नहीं डालना, केमिकल्स यू डोंट नीड टू पुट इट. जस्ट आपको क्या करना है, अगर ये आप एक्सपेरिमेंट आप घर पे भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. जो सीड्स हैलो में है वो फ्लोट करेंगे, जो सीड्स बहुत हेल्दी हैं दे सिंक. सो नाउ ये आपका बस एक मेथड है, मैंने तो दो मेथड बोले थे, तो दूसरा मेथड आपका होगा sometimes unhealthy seeds are removed by winnowing where they blown away. अब मैंने इसमें पूरा सेंटेंस लिखा, आई विल टेल यू द सेंटेंस. सब क्या होता है, फार्मर्स को उस मतलब कि वो हेल्दी सीड सिंक होना चाहिए और वो अनहेल्दी सीड्स फ्लोट करना है, और दे डोंट हैव एनी टाइम टू डू इट ना. उनको बहुत सारे काम है, और भी वी हैव ओनली 5 स्टेप्स वी हैव. तो क्या करते हैं, विनोइंग. आपके यू हैव सीन दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. ये आपको होगा विनोइंग. ये यूजुअली आपके मतलब कि इफ यू हैव सिबलिंग गर्ल, ओके, तो ये आपको विनोइंग विनोइंग के लिए यूज होता है. कि किसके लिए, ये राइस में राइस डालते हैं और दे डू लाइक दिस, सो द अनवांटेड सब्सटेंसेस फ्लो अवे, वो ब्लो मतलब कि उड़ जाता है. वो जो हमारे नहीं चाहिए होता, अनवांटेड सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं ना, वो उड़ जाता है. और जो वांटेड सब्सटेंसेस जैसे राइस, जैसे खाने वाले सब्सटेंस, वो सारे स्मेल. ये आपके पास एक एग्जांपल था. उसी तरह होता है, जो हेल्दी अनहेल्दी सीड्स हैं वो रिमूव हो जाते हैं. कैसे, बाय विनोइंग. इसे हम इस प्रोसेस को विनोइंग कहते हैं. ठीक है, वो उड़ जाते हैं, वो मतलब कि एयर के साथ वो उड़ जाते हैं. तो उसका ये आपका दूसरा मेथड है, जो आप इफ यू हैव दैट थिंग यू कैन यूज इट. Okay, so now let's come to our next topic. So our next topic is precaution. अब जिससे हमें बहुत चीज़ों करने के लिए we have some more precautions like this. सीड को सो करने के लिए कोई तरह precautions होते हैं, तो हम वो देखेंगे. So before that, we have to know that what are the precautions are like there, like to hold to hold the scales perfectly. That is also a precaution, like not tilted only at the one. Your eyes should not like this direction, or this straight face to this. Yeah. So there are some precautions for like we have for scale, even a scale we will be having for seeds. So So there are two precautions, but they are very very important precautions. So there are things that I have told you two methods. So that can also come under precautions also. Okay, understand? So now precaution. The seeds should be sown at an appropriate distance from each other. This prevents overcrowding and ensures that the seeds get sufficient space and water. Like I'm a farmer and I'm a farmer and I have this much of land. Okay. So what I have done, I have sown them like this. Like I have this crop over here, this crop over here. So I have sown three crops at a place, at a particular place, because I don't have enough space to grow my crop. Okay, I don't have enough space, you can tell me. So this green on the crops are growing. Okay, so so where I was at, yeah. So if I have placed, I have sown 2 to 3 seeds in a particular place, in a particular area of where I have sown. So what this can do, because however the crops will grow definitely, and what are the why we should not, हमें क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए ऐसा, वो है आपका फर्स्ट में बोलते हैं कि वह देखिए इसमें आपको बताया गया है कि आपको you should not sow the seeds in a particular place. Like I have मेरे पास एक लैंड है, तो मैं बस एक मेरे पास बहुत छोटा सा एरिया लैंड है और मुझे उसमें प्लान करना है, तो या सो करना है सीड्स को. अगर मैं एक ही जगह में 4-5 वो लगाऊं, मतलब 4-5 सीड लगाऊं, तो आपका फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम आएगा, वो ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा. और सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है कि उनको एक स्पेस नहीं मिलेगा जिसे आपको चाहिए स्पेस. ओके, एंड थर्ड आपको होता है उनको एफिशिएंट खाना भी नहीं मिलेगा, लाइक वाटर, दे डोंट गेट एफिशिएंट सनलाइट बिकॉज वो रिलाई करेंगे. So this मतलब उन्हें एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस में, जैसे मैं यहाँ एक क्रॉप ग्रो कर रही हूँ, जैसे मैं यहाँ एक क्रॉप ग्रो कर रही हूँ, तो एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए और मैं यहाँ भी ग्रो करूँगी. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट डिस्टेंस, मैं यहाँ ग्रो करूँ तो एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस करके मैं यहाँ ग्रो करूँगी. उसी तरह मैं एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस रखकर आई विल ग्रो हियर. तो डिस्टेंस मैटर करता है, वही आपका फर्स्ट में बोला गया प्रिकॉशन में. ठीक है. सो अगर आप एक सीड को सो कर रहे हैं, देखो ना कितना प्रिकॉशंस लेना पड़ता है, कितने कितने चीजें आपको ध्यान रखनी पड़ती. हमने भी एक ही पढ़ा, पर वो बताओ कितना हार्ड टू डू इट ना. सो नेक्स्ट है सेकंड वन इज सीड. ये आपको मैं छोटे छोटे लेकर जगह नहीं है, so I will read out it, but I think you will be able to see it. Seeds should be planted at the correct depth. If the seeds are planted in shallow soil, they may be found and eaten by birds. If they planted too depth, they may not get enough air. अब बोला गया है सेकंड में कि अगर आप प्लांट को ऐसे ही आपको प्लांट को एक करेक्ट डेप्थ में आपको डालना चाहिए, तभी आपका प्लांट बहुत अच्छे से ग्रो होगा. इफ आप ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर ऐसे मतलब ऐसे कर कर, जैसे मेरा ये सॉइल है, मैंने ऐसे फ्लो कर रखा है, तो मैंने ऊपर ऐसे ऐसे लगा दिया, इवन तो मैंने सॉइल के अंदर ही डाला है ना. I will use another color for seed. Yeah, so like I have, ये मेरा सॉइल है जिसमें I am using green color for seeds. जैसे मेरे पास ये है छोटे छोटे से दाने. ओके, या तो अब क्या हुआ, तो अब यहाँ मैंने सॉइल को बहुत ऊपर ऊपर मैंने ऊपर ऊपर सो करके रखा, मैंने बहुत ऐसे ही शो कर मतलब कि सो कर दिया, प्लांट कर दिया सीड्स को। तो क्या करेंगे, बर्ड्स आएंगे एंड दे विल, ये बर्ड मैंने ड्रॉ नहीं करा बट या, और बर्ड्स आएंगे एंड दे विल ईट द सीड्स। अगर अरे यार, अगर आप सोचोगे कि अगर आपने बहुत डीप में भी डाल दिया, जैसे मेरे पास ये लैंड है तो मैंने यहाँ डाल दिया, देखो कितना डिफरेंट है, डिफरेंस कितना है, लेंथ वाइज देखना प्लीज, लेंथ वाइज देखोगे कितना डिफरेंट है ना। अगर मैंने यहाँ डाला सीड्स को और यहाँ मतलब उसका रूट यहाँ तक नहीं पहुंच पाएगा, तो उसको रूट पहुंच भी नहीं पाएगा, एज वेल एज अगर आप जो भी पानी दे रहे हो, वाटरिंग कर रहे हो, तब भी इनको नहीं रीच होगा। थर्ड थिंग दैट बाहर वाला एयर अब होती है ना, वो भी अंदर नहीं जाएगा। सो ये तीन थिंग्स मतलब ये three things you should keep in mind, that a plant need a water, air as well as sunlight। हमने ये बहुत बार पढ़ चुका फोटोसिंथेसिस ह्यूमन भी, कि एक प्लांट को हम एक वाटर, एयर विच इज एयर और सनलाइट नहीं देंगे तो इट विल नॉट ग्रो। उसी तरह मैंने इसमें समझाया, इसमें थोड़ा मैंने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर द पिक्चर ऑफ बोथ। अगर हम बहुत डेप्थ में भी लगा लें तो तब भी मतलब ये प्रॉब्लम होगा, हम अगर हम बहुत डीप में भी लगा दें तब भी प्रॉब्लम होगा, ठीक है। सो हम पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस मतलब पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस को मैनेज करने, मेंटेन करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं। So for this also we have some missions that we are going to see it right now. So our next topic is tools to sow the seeds. So we have studied just now the two precautions. These are the main precautions. So what are they? Let's recap it. Okay. The first precaution is that you should sow the seeds in appropriate distance, like this. There should be an appropriate distance between two. Social distancing. Yes, there should be also social distancing in plants also. Why? Why? You have a question. Because if they are overcrowded at a particular place, so they will not get efficient water, sunlight, as well as some nutrients, and will not get. Yeah. And our another thing that is our severe precautions that we have studied is that the seeds should be not sown in correct, not sown in, the seeds should be sown in correct depth, appropriate depth. They should be sown. So if not, if we don't sow it, so if we sow it like shallow, so they are watered and eaten by birds. And they are sown too depth or planted too depth, so they will not get efficient water, sunlight, as well as air also. The main purpose is here. So they should be sown. The mainly thing is they should be planted in appropriate or correct depth, and all also in a social distancing, as I said. There are two tools. The first is broadcasting. Second is seed drill. Okay. So I will explain both the tools. So broadcasting. So it is the oldest method. They are written here. So the whole oldest method. This very oldest method. And this is slung and scattered by hand. Like they are sown like this. We have seen the farm. Like I'm showing you. Here's the picture. So they have a big basket, and in the basket they have seeds. Okay, only one type of seeds they have. So they used to sow it up like this. They also spread like this. So this is plum scattered by hand. So before that, I want to tell you what it is actually broadcasting. So what is the meaning of broadcasting? Nowadays we have online classes, and I hope that Your homeworks are sent through broadcasting by your teachers. Like they used to, from your point of view, what happens? They are sending this for yourself. But what is done? Your teacher used to send only one message to all students, but you think, but your query will go to your teacher itself. Okay, so like this, I'm not also pretty sure about it. Again, that you are using broadcasting or not. So okay, so no uniform distribution of seeds. So if I throw the seeds, as I said, there will be no uniform distance. Like there are many chances that one particular at a particular place two or more seeds can fall, right? As you can like I have to, like I'm throwing it over here, the seeds will fall on a particular place, so this is wrong, right? So this is wrong. So if, so that is over told here that they will not no uniform distance. So if there will be no uniform distance, there will be no plant, crops may grow, or there no crops will not grow. Okay, so cultivation नहीं होगा. And there are another problem is also on uniform method broadcasting is that if I do it like this, so they will only fall on the upper part of the soil. And also, if I and they are also spotted and eaten by birds. So there are also many chances. Okay, so there are rare chances that seeds are grown by broadcasting methods. By telling you. So next is required time and manual labor. So it requires time. You see, you will be needing you have to spend many time in this only. Okay, and labors, especially manual labors, you should have it. One person can't sow the seeds into a whole land, na? Because there are many areas over here. So one person can't sow the seeds. So they are, I hope that, I think that they have distributed their job like that. But nowadays, this broadcasting method is also using, but not much. Okay. So next is seed drill. Seed drill is available in both traditional as well as modern. So we will study about both, and the picture will be shown to you. Videos also. Yeah. So tools. So in tools we have two methods, two types of tools, that is traditional as well as modern. So as you can see, the second one, yeah. So as you can see in this again, that traditional, yeah, traditional seed drill. So they have a funnel shaped opening where seeds are inserted into the drill. As you can see over here, there is a hole. I am not pretty sure. I'm sure, yeah. It should be like this and a V shape, like, yeah. So you have to put these seeds into this, and they will be sown like this. So it's very deep. वो narrow होता है, बहुत narrow होता है. So वो एक particular distance में जाता है. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so the next, which is traditional, is modern with a filter attached to tractors. Okay, as you can see here, the backside of the tractor, you can see in this picture that we have a red triangular shape like this, and this is just By this also one drop, one piece is sown into the soil, and they are sown in a particular distance and correct breadth. Okay, so this is very important for seeds to sow. And if you see in the traditional seed drill, as I have shown again in the picture, so there is a big hole, or using this, that is put seed is put into it, and then this also is this also goes in a particular depth, but not in uniform manner. Okay, so as you can, so I have told you the both methods. Yeah. So this was your, no, one more thing is there. Just one, the same science and manual labor effort. Yeah. So for traditional method, you will be needing just two manual labors you will be needing, and it's enough to put it. Okay, and in tractor, if you are using modern, so only one labor is best for you. Okay, only one labor needed, only one labor. Okay, so and it also saves time as well as the manual labor. Then broadcasting method, because as we have seen that broadcasting method are just thrown through ants, and they don't follow a particular distance and a particular depth. So now we are in with our this topic also, which is selection of seeds. Now let's move to our next topic.